1. Open the packing box and make sure the package is complete as below: bidet, accessories package, and open-close mounting plate. 2. Shut off the toilet water supply valve, then empty the toilet tank. 3. Remove the toilet seat. Unscrew the mounting plate of the toilet seat to make a 2-centimeter gap between the toilet and toilet seat. No need to unscrew the mounting plate of the toilet seat completely. 4. Open the open-close mounting plate. Aim the 2 left and right U-shaped slots at the 2 unscrewed bolts. Push the mounting plate toward the gap between the mounting plate of the toilet seat and the toilet in order to make the open-close mounting plate to be closed. When the positioning convex points snap into the positioning concave hole, you will hear a clicking sound. 5. Align the fixed connector to the bidet body to the 2 grooves of the open-close mounting plate, and then push the fixed connector into the grooves. Adjust the bidet to make sure the nozzle is in the middle position. The bidet nozzle should be placed in the center of the toilet. 6. Screw the mounting plate of the toilet seat back on again. 7. Unscrew the hose which connects the water inlet of the toilet cistern. 8. Connect the stainless steel braided hose to the cold water inlet of the bidet. 9. Connect the hose for toilet water supply and the stainless steel braided hose to the plastic T adapter. 10. Connect the top of the plastic T adapter to the water inlet of the toilet cistern. 11. Connect the other end of the PU tube to the hot water inlet of the bidet. 12. Shut off the hot water supply valve and connect the metal T adapter to the hot water supply. 13. Unscrew the nut from the T adapter, then connect PU tube to the T adapter through nut and screw nut back tightly. 'Congratulations! You have finished the installation of your bidet. Start enjoying your bidet now.